Okay, so I had to do this video. Absolutely. I missed something totally. Okay, so this is your throttle pull cables. One for each carb. Okay. This one here, the one with this, is your throttle pull cable. Before you install these cable, because this is a jointed double cable into one, you've got to pull this thing tight all the way and pull this one tight all the way. That pulls the sleeve down and adjusts the starting point here so they're both the same. This is very, 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 very important. And you'll have some left over here, and we deal with this later. But I did have to remove this, 2 screws and a screwdriver. That's this piece here. And we'll put that back on. But that's one of the main things that I missed in the last video just now. So the throttle pull cable. So when I turn my handle, it opens the carburetor, and both of them will happen at the same time. On this carburetor, it goes here. Screws in here. On this carburetor, hopefully I don't dump my other carburetor down, it goes right there, and it hooks around here and attaches there. That one goes there. Don't fall, please. All right. This cable is a single cable. This is my throttle return cable. That's hooked up to the other one. Remember it because it doesn't have the thingy dangling off of it. And you'll want to do the same thing. See? See what I'm doing there? This one doesn't have to be normalized, but still you want it with as much play as you want to make it easy to put it in. And this connection goes here, connects here. So the throttle pull cable will open. Oh, let's see if I can do this like that. And then this cable pulls it closed again. So when I let go of the throttle or pull the throttle this way to slow down, then this cable will tighten and pull the carburetor closed like that. And there's a corresponding cable to do the other thing on the other side. It's these two here. This one is your return, and this one is not part of that system. That's a different one. That is your sync cable. Excuse me. But we're not worried about these because they're already installed and set up. We need to hook up those ones and that one. So you pull this down, you pull this down, you make sure it's tapped out at the bottom. Just test it. Yep. Okay. There's no slack. It's all good. Now I can adjust, and now I can install these here and here, and then slide them in. That's the plan anyway.